Hey there, what are the aspects of SEO that you think AI will replace? Um, I mean, content writing, but it still needs a lot of human input. Unless you're just building a pure AI spam site that you're not building for the long haul, it's still not, AI content still needs lots of work, in my opinion. Um, the thing about AI is I feel like it can be used for every task in SEO to kind of speed things up and to like give you ideas and to point you in the right direction of things. But I feel like it doesn't replace anything as far as right now goes. Would you agree with that, Nick?
Yeah, it seems like, I don't know that you could consider it um, to be replacing anything because you're kind of just, it's like you're adding it to things that you've already got going, systems that you've already got going, in order to kind of maybe advance, let's say, things like efficiency, etc. But yeah, I don't think we're at a point right now, and we probably won't be really anytime soon, where it's just flat out replacing stuff that we do. Yeah.
Um, and a lot of times when you use it, it's like you still just need so much human input. Like, so for example, you could say like, okay, interlinking. So you could say, okay, here's my page, and then here's all my other pages on my website. Pick which ones of these are the most relevant and give me like anchor text ideas for each of them. And it can do that, but it's not going to do it nearly as well as you could.
No.
And so you can use it to speed things up, but you're still going to want to go in and make sure it's doing things how you want it to be done. And a lot of the suggestions they'll give you are just bad. But at the end of the day, you really know how the site works. And like if you're doing your interlinking completely manually, you're going to do a much better job than even doing like what I just said. So yeah, I mean, I feel like at this point, I'm not worried about it replacing anything. I think that the thing, like I said before, the thing replaced the most right now is low to mid-tier content writers. And so, yeah, basically where maybe you had a team of 5 writers before, maybe now you've got one editor, right? And they're using ChatGPT or something like Koala Writer or ZimWriter or whatever you use. And then they're going in and they are fixing it all up and getting it ready to go and putting it on your website from there. So that's probably the part of the industry that's been hit the hardest right now is the content writing people. But I feel like it still hasn't replaced, and all the other stuff. I don't see any of the other stuff being replaced anytime soon, to be completely honest.
No.
But like I said, you can use it for everything. You can use it for link building. You can use it for getting very tailored pitches for your clients. You can use it for like guest post ideas. You can use it for so much, but it doesn't. It's not replacing anything at this point.
Right.
Anything else to add on that,
No,
Nick?
that's it.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.